And Ikemefuna, carrying a pot of palm wine on his head, walked in their midst. Although he had felt uneasy at first, he was not afraid now. Okonkwo walked behind him. He could hardly imagine that Okonkwo was not his real father. He had never been thought of his own real father, and at the end of 3 years he had become very distant indeed. But his mother and his 3-year-old sister, of course, she would not be 3 now, but 6. Would he recognize her now? She must have grown quite big. How his mother would weep for joy and thank Okonkwo for having looked after him so well and for bringing him back. She would want to hear everything that had happened to him in all these years. Could he remember them all? He would tell her about Moye and his mother and about the locust. Then quite suddenly, a thought came upon him. His mother might be dead. He tried in vain to force the thoughts out of his mind. Then he tried to settle the matter the way he used to settle such matters when he was a little boy. He still remembered the song. Ezelina, Ezelina, Ezelina,